All right, so we're going to show you how to generate auto captions on TikTok so that you could do stuff like this. As you can see here, these are auto captions. Now, if I turned up the volume here,
and as you can see, the music that's playing shows on it down here.
it's pretty much a subtitle. That's sort of what it is, a subtitle of what you are saying, and they're called auto captions. As there's a lot of fun stuff you could do with them, and we're just going to show you how you can add captions to your TikTok video. But what you want to do is make sure that you are on your TikTok profile, and then you pick the video that you want to auto caption. And so we're going to start right from the get so you can see how that is done. Sorry, now pick the plus sign. We're going to pick our reel here. I said reel. We're going to pick our video, not our reel, our TikTok video that we want to generate auto captions for. Now I'm going to turn this down so you don't have to hear it and just hear me in two fronts. Now, what we want to do is once you've picked the video that you want and you have it in your TikTok profile or TikTok screen is what I should call it, you see to the right here, all the functions or the features or whatever you have on the right here is where you're going to go. Now, if you were to tap it, you would see it actually shows you all what they are. Without the tapping, you don't know. I mean, if you use it quite often, then you'll know what they are. But now we're just going to tap it. And as you can see here, it says captions. Captions right there. And that's what you want to hit. So we're going to hit that right now. And as you can see, it starts to process what you are saying. And it lists it right here, pretty much for you to see. This is all what you've said in this content that you've uploaded here. And it puts it right in the middle. Now, one of the good things that you could do is, okay, this is what you have here and you want to make changes to it. Well, you could tap it like that. If you feel that what is saying doesn't match what you said and make the changes, right? Click save there. You can also actually do that feature by just tapping here, that little edit button, picking exactly where you want to edit. As you can see, I can make edits in all those boxes right there if they didn't match what I wanted to, or what I said, I should say. So let's save that again. And so you have to save it. If you want it to register, you have to save it. Now, as you can see, here it is over here, right? Now, as it's transcribing, you can make your edits. Any edits you need to make are pretty much in here. Now, of course, I'm speaking American English right here, so I would tap that. Now, you could pick anything that you want, wherever you're representing, you pick that so everybody knows. And then, again, that's the pencil where you can make your edits for the text after you've heard everything, and you'd say, hey, you know what, that just doesn't sound like what I said. Now, the cool thing is all the good stuff that you could do with this. Because if you see now, this video, my text is not as legible. It kind of fades into it. So I want to make it pop. I want to make it pop so people can actually see it. And it's not drained into the background. So you have all these things, all these features under your edit button. Again, let's hit save here. Save this button, the A button right there. Click that. You have all these features for you. You could choose the type of fonts that you want or sort of like animation that you want. And it plays that the way you want it. You know, if you want neon, you could do that. All these kind of things. You can make all these changes. Now, let's say we wanted to pick heavy because maybe that pops a little. You can also choose how you want the font to be displayed if you wanted with a label in the background, as you can see. And that puts a solid label behind it. Yep. Now, if you tap that again, it puts sort of like not a solid one, a hybrid, a hybrid label, right? What do we call this? It's sort of skipping my head now, but opaque, you know, there's some opacity, I should say, in that, you know, so you might want, because you want to show some stuff in the back, you might want to choose the opacity. Now, as you see, those three settings give you all that opportunity to do that. So now we're going to just leave it here so you can see exactly what we're doing. Now, the next one is the alignment. As you can see, I can align it so it's all to the left. I can align it so it's all to the right. I can align it so it's all to the center. And even as I'm still doing this stuff, I could change the colors right here, as you can see. Yep, yep, yep. I could change the colors. And as you can see, and one thing to notice is if you hit the label here and you pick your color, it displays that color, right? But if you hit the opacity or if you hit the opacity and the label is what I should say, it displays the color that you pick right there. But if we did just that, then it displays that color. So that's just something to take note of now. So we have this here and we want to put a label behind it so everybody can really see what we're talking about. There we go. And so there we have it. If you say, you know what, I don't like that font. I want to pick this font. I want to pick this font. Suffice to say, you can do anything you want to do here to make it really, really cool, to make it pop out. So you have an impact, you know what I'm saying? An impact with what you are posting. Because, you know, you also want to make it legible is what I should say. So let's save that here. Now we have all our captions generated in here. And all you want to do is save. Now, if you feel you don't want to use your captions anymore and whatnot, all you got to do is hit the delete button and it asks delete all captions, right? And you could delete it and all that goes away. But we don't want to delete it. So we're going to leave it as that. And it's a good thing it asks you that. It just doesn't delete it. But now we're going to save it. And now turn it up a little.
Go to your plus sign here. You pick your reel. Go to templates down here. Once you click your template, or you can pick whatever.
And as you can see, the words match.
You can see the music that's playing shows
the words
on it
match
down here.
Now, if you want to make your edits, see what I've done here. If you want to make the edits to the captions, all you got to do is tap it.
Now we're gonna pick all our
tap it in action, edit captions, and you are right back to where you are. Just as simple as that. And then you click save again, and then you are right here. Once again, I'm going to turn that volume down. All right, saying it again, because you might have not heard what I've said. If you want to make edits to it right after you've done it already and put it out there, put it on the screen just to check it out, and you go, oh, you know what? I actually missed something there. All you got to do is tap here and hit edit captions, and it puts you right back to the template. Or to the spot where you were editing. Yeah, the what should I say? The auto captions template, you know, so you can make your edits. But that's how you can generate auto captions on TikTok. And after you've done that, again, you can make it big, you can make it small, you can move it around, you know, and if you don't want it, again, you could delete here, or you could just drag it to the top there where it says delete, and bingo, it's all gone. But that's how you can generate auto captions on Instagram to make things a little more interesting. I said Instagram, sorry, TikTok. I keep mixing both up. Maybe because there's an Instagram screen here and there's pretty much similarly alike. And we'll be doing also a video on generating captions on Instagram Reels and Stories. So look out for that. But that's how you could do it on TikTok. And hope this was helpful. If it is, like and subscribe, and we'll keep sharing these videos to help you out. Take care.